My name is Ms. Taylor and I'm an intern at the Gloucester branch of the Gloucester County Library System. And today we're just going to do a quick and easy STEM project for Earth Day. All you would need is some Skittles or M&Ms, any kind of coated candy that you may have, maybe have laying around either in your pantry or just from Easter or Valentine's Day. And then you're just going to need like a paper towel just in case you spill anything. It's just water and a paper plate. And then any type of measuring cup. You only need about a quarter cup of warm or hot water, and then you should be good to go. So you are just gonna get your plate. It could be a regular plate or a paper plate, and you're just gonna pick out some green and some blue or purple. I know Skittles only really come with like a purple color, unless you get the tropical ones, but I know M&Ms have blue, so that's what I ended up with. So I've got some green Skittles on my plate, and I've got some blue M&Ms. So any kind of design that you want to do, you could even do rainbow colors if you wanted to do a rainbow, whatever you want to do with this fun little quick project. So you're going to make your design on your plate. So mine is the earth. You're going to leave some white space because when you pour the water on, all of the coating is going to come off and swirl around to make the earth. So all you need is to make your design. I have some green, and then I have some water for my oceans, and then I have my little island in the middle there. And you're just going to take your warm water, you'll pour that over, and it just takes some time to wait, and if you can see, it's going to start. You can kind of help your plate swirl it around, get those colors going. And slowly but surely, over time, all of your colors are going to bleed into the middle, and you're going to have an earth once the Skittles and the M&Ms dissolve. So like I said, you could even do a rainbow, any kind of color design that you want. It's super quick and easy. If you have a lot of candy laying around that you just do not want to eat, which is what happened in my case. So it's a super quick, fun thing that you guys can just sit around and do and make your own design.